This Volvo 240 has been a reliable daily driver, except it's left me stranded a couple of times due to the fuel pump. That's why I've got a replacement one here, along with some filters. The symptoms would be it cutting out on the highway and flooring it not changing anything, so I pull over and shut it down, or it would die on its own, kind of sputtering out. And I thought it was something with the PCV, so I changed that out, and a couple of times after I changed that out, it broke down, and I messed around in the engine bay, and it fired up after around 10-15 minutes, but I believe now that was just the fuel pump cooling down. Let's listen to this fuel pump. It's a very high-pitched whine, and you can hear it when I turn the key on. Does not sound good. So that's why I'm going to be replacing it. I don't have a proper jack, so I'm just using this bottle jack. Coming under here, you can see the filter and the pump, and I'm pretty sure I have to remove this sub-assembly thing that has the rubber isolators on it. Next, I guess, is this banjo bolt. I'm just gonna dump all that gas into my mystery fluid container. There's a nut right in here. Okay, old filter. It says made in China. Okay, well, oh, it's a Wix. I guess that's fine. Well, I got the man filter, so hopefully that's better. Oh, there we go. I can access all these. Oh, I see. Okay, this is in a little rubber isolator thing. It just slides right out. There we go. I don't know if you can hear that, but it sounds interesting. I got the man filter and the OEM, or OES, I guess it would be. I'm not sure. Filters, pump thingy. So here's the new guy. Yeah, much bigger. You know what? I think this is a China job on here. Let's see. And they look different, so definitely. Get this in the sleeve. Oh. These are different sizes, so that might actually be an issue. I guess I'll just cut it down the side. Alright, this is how it's supposed to go. These connectors are totally different too. Oh my god. Look at this. These are like bullet connectors. I couldn't find the proper bullet terminals, but I got these. These are O'Reilly's 12 to 10 gauge butt connectors, and they actually fit right onto here with a little bit of pressure. No, I'm not going to show that. Because it's a little hard to get off, but what I'm going to do, crimp this on one end, on the existing ring terminal thing, basically replace this with one end of the butt thing. So it's basically a bullet terminal. Okay, just got to put this assembly back into here. Okay, I've got everything on its little assembly thing. Down. Let's see if it fires up. much quieter. I was trying to tighten one of these and then something happened and then fuel sprayed everywhere. Cut this bag and I put some Vaseline on my hands and under the gloves, so hopefully if the gloves break, it won't get me all gross smelling like gas. I just don't understand why it's not a uniform sound. You know what, it actually could, if it doesn't make a difference, maybe it's not working at all. There doesn't actually seem to be a way to take it off, so at least not in there. I don't know. I'm just gonna pull out the lock ring. I don't have the tool for it, so I'm just gonna chisel it. No, I guess I can test the pump or just remove it. No, I'm gonna hook this up to 12 volts directly, see if it works. It's grumbling. Definitely not working. It came. Oh, just to test it. Guess that'd be a good idea. There we go. It's definitely working. Alright, so this new pump fits in here and it works and everything, except the sender is now the problem. And the issue is from somewhere in here, the power's not connected. And I just ordered a new one that actually comes with the pump, so I'm going to take out this pump. But yeah, this is basically just trash now. It's unfortunate. The only issue is the wiring, but it's non-repairable. So, can't go on my road trip today, but that's what's going to happen. Alright, it's a week later, and finally the new sending unit came. So, I installed the pump and fuel sock and everything that needs to be installed. It actually came with the pump this time, so I returned the previous one. Oh no. Oh.
Shoot.
I got it with the magnet, finally. Oh my god, that was the worst. Alright, it's been a week since I replaced both fuel pumps. Well, 2 weeks since I replaced the main pump in there, but a week since I replaced the helper pump, and overall I think it's performing better, much more consistent. We can hear the pump's working in there. I don't know if you can hear it, but there's a slight sound, and I'm not going to get stranded anymore. I'm just going to probably replace the timing belt just in case. Luckily this is a non-interference engine, so it would just break down and not destroy the engine itself. That's everything mechanically fixed. Like, there's missing trim here. I might want the E-coated Euro headlights. Obviously buff the paint and stuff. But I have winter break coming up, and I'm gonna probably do that over winter break. But overall, I'm very happy with the process. It's kind of bummer, obviously, I had to spend money, but that's how it is. I got this car for cheap, so I'd say it's worth it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.